Hey guys, what's up? It's time to do a camera test of the new Oppo A52, and this is a new mid-range phone from Oppo which is costing around almost 35,000 PKR in Pakistan market, and in this price range we get the quad cameras on the back as you can see, and the main sensor on the back is a 12 megapixel. Then we have a 8 megapixel ultra wide and a 2 megapixel depth sensor and a 2 megapixel for macro lens. On the front you get a 16 megapixel front camera inside of this punch hole camera. Now let's quickly show you the camera UI of the Oppo A52, and you can see here is the camera UI of the Oppo A52, and this phone it is running on Android 10, and also we have a color OS version 7.1 on this phone. And you also get a portrait mode which is only available on human subject. It is not available on subject, although this phone comes with a 2 megapixel depth sensor, but I don't know why the portrait mode it is not work on object. It says that move very closer to the subject, but you can see it is again not working. And you can but I have to say that I don't see any macro mode on this phone, and you can see when I go very close to the subject, and you can see it says that macro lens. And I have to say that this 2 megapixel macro lens on the back it's like fake. It is not available on this phone, but I don't know why we don't get any macro mode on this phone. But I have to say I hope they will give you a macro mode in the camera UI. And guys, the back camera only shoot full HD with a 30 fps video recording size. We don't get any 4K 60 on this phone, and the front camera only record full HD with a 30 fps video recording size. And also we have this night mode which is also available with the ultra wide. In the mode section we also get a slow-mo, and you can see, and also we have a pro expert mode as well as a time lapse, and you can see some more features. The front camera it is coming at 16 megapixel, and the front camera portrait mode, front camera does not give you any night mode. And I have to say the back camera as well as the front camera does not give you any live focus video feature on this phone. The bokeh effect in the video that is not available on this phone, and I don't know why we don't get any macro mode on this phone. Now let's show you a lot of camera samples as well as video recording regarding the Oppo A52. You get a better idea regarding the camera performance of this phone. Okay guys, and this is a 4K with a 30 fps video recording of the Oppo A52 with the back camera, and there is some noise in the background, so ignore that. And now let's little bit walking around, and now let's little bit walking, running I have to say, and let me know how is the video looks like. Okay guys, and this is a full HD with a 30 fps video recording of the Oppo A52 with the back camera. Now let's little bit walking around, and you can see I have to say that the video stabilization it is improved a lot compared to 4K mode. Now let's little bit running, and the colors everything looks pretty nice on this phone. Okay guys, and this is a 720p with 30 fps video recording of the Oppo A52 with their ultra wide lens. And ultra wide it is only support HD video recording. You don't get any full HD video recording size on this phone. And let me know how if the video quality looks like. And it is very disappointed that their ultra wide lens it is only shoot 720p with a 30 fps video recording size. Now let's little bit walking around. Now let's running, and let me know how is the video stabilization looks like on this phone. Okay guys, and this is a full HD with a 30 fps video recording of the Oppo A52 with the front camera. And let me know how is the colors looks like with the front camera. The dynamic range, it is pretty average on this phone. I don't really impressed by the camera performance of this phone. And the sun, it is behind me and you can see. Let me know how is the HDR works on this phone. And now let's little bit walking around for checking out the video stabilization. And now let's running and you can see. And again, I like the colors on this phone. And in the front camera I see some reddish effect in the video with the front camera. Okay guys, and this is a 4K with 30 fps video recording of the Oppo A52 with their back camera. And let me know how is the video quality looks like. I have to say in the 4K video recording mode, which is a really unique feature on this phone. Now let's little bit walking around for checking out the video stabilization. And let me know how is the video quality looks like on this phone, as well as the microphone quality as well. So now let's little bit running. Okay guys, and this is a full HD with a 30 fps video recording of the Oppo A52 with their back camera. And definitely the video quality, it is not as very sharp as in the 4K mode. Now let's running little bit. And guys, I have to say that the video stabilization, it is improved a lot compared to in the 4K mode. Okay guys, and this is a 720p with a 30 fps video recording of the Oppo A52 with their ultra wide lens. And definitely guys, definitely the colors of the video, it is pretty bad, I have to say, and you can see. And now let's little bit walking around. And now let's running. Okay guys, and this is a full HD with a 30 fps video recording of the Oppo A52 with their front camera. And let me know how is the video quality looks like on this phone. Now let's running. Let me know how is the video stabilization feels like on this phone with their front camera. And thank you so much for watching this camera test of the Oppo A52. Overall, I have to say regarding the camera performance of this phone, I have to say don't buy this phone if you want a camera. And overall, I have to say I like the color production, but there are something that I really dislike on this phone, like we don't get any macro mode on this phone, and also the portrait mode, it is not available on objects. And also we have some bug issues in this phone, and the UI is not pretty smooth on this phone, considering that this phone comes with the same chipset as the Oppo A5 2020 and Oppo A9 2020. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.